Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to cover an essential part of Shopify setup, which is shipping rates. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to configure your shipping rates. Let's start by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to settings, click on shipping and delivery. This is where all your shipping settings live. Click on general profile. Just click add shipping zone, give it a name like Canadian shipping or Pakistan shipping and select the country or region. Let's set up a specific rate for different region and countries. For example, you might charge one rate for domestic shipping like local shippings and a different rate for international customers. So default rate is already created for me. You can also select multiple countries and region if you want to broader zone like North America, US or Europe. To edit our shipping rates, click on the three dots and select edit rate. Above will appear. Let's update the standard shipping rate to 300 rupees. You can also change the shipping name, for example, to standard shipping and then click save. If you want to add multiple rates, you can do that too. For instance, set up a rate called free shipping. And note that adding a description is optional. You can also set the conditions, like showing a specific shipping rates only if the order total is above 1500 rupees. To do this, select based on order price, enter the minimum price, and click save. Finally, scroll down and hit save again to apply all the changes. If you are working with major courier like UPS, FedEx or DHL, Shopify allows you to set up courier calculated shipping rates. These rates are automatically calculated at checkout based on real-time courier rates. This option is ideal if you want to ensure accurate shipping charges without needing to manually adjust them for every order. Once you have configured your shipping zone and rate, don't forget to hit save button. And remember, you can always come back and adjust your settings as your business grows. Or if you want to run promotional like free shipping during a sale. And that's it. You have now set up your shipping rates in Shopify Store. If you want to set up local delivery and local pickup, start by going back and scrolling down to the local delivery section. Click on the setup button, then choose the location you want to enable. Checkbox to activate it and configure the delivery radius or postal code. You can also set delivery charges by clicking below to add the charges, then hit save. For setting up pickup location, go back and scrolling down to the pickup location section. Click on the setup button, select the desired pickup location, checkbox to activate it, and set up according to your business need. Then hit save. You can also add the multiple location. To add multiple location, go to the location tabs where you can enter additional addresses, fill in all the necessary details for each location and save your changes. Once you have configured your shipping zone and rate, don't forget to hit save button. And remember, you can always come back and adjust your settings as your business grows. Or if you want to run promotional like free shipping during a sale. And that's it. You have now set up your shipping rates in Shopify Store. In the next video, we will be setting up payment methods. See you soon. Thank you.